Hi guys, thanks for tuning in today on the unboxing of my Tudor GMT Pepsi. It's been an interesting day. I've been waiting for this now for 2 days. Australia Post was supposed to deliver it yesterday, that never happened. So this morning it did arrive. Bloody friggin' delivery driver just hit the doorbell once and then got in his van, pissed off down the, did a U-turn, got in the van, pissed off down the road, like so. Like to get out and chase the bastard down the bloody road, just to get the package. If I didn't sort of pick it up today off him, it'd be another 24 hours or more in the van. And you don't know what they do, throwing their shit around all the time. Anyway, I've got it. Oh yeah, while I was talking to him, I said to him, what was your big hurry? You're on speed? He just looked at me fucking stupid. So anyway, that's how it goes. Main thing is, I've got the package in good order, and I should have bloody fired these plums off at it. Australia Post, they don't give us stuff what they do. Anyway, let's go to the unboxing. There's the bell. Before we unbox, I'd just like to touch base on the Rolex Explorer I bought in early December. Yeah, well, at that stage it was pretty hard to get onto any stainless in Rolex, and it just so happened I happened to score one a little bit early, and I'd never seen the watch actually in front of me, and I decided I'll take the risk and put in an order, go ahead and buy one, like you know, better than waiting a few months or something, or actually 12 months or longer for the Submariner. The only problem is, when I did the unboxing, I didn't realise when I opened the box that it was a fairly plain looking watch. I actually thought, looking at other guys' videos that did unboxing and stuff like that, the watch looked a lot better in those than actually when I got it in front of me and held it in my hand. So you could say, without beating around the bush, yeah, I was a bit disappointed in it. Even though it's a nice looking watch, I just found that it was a little bit plain for my way of thinking what I wanted. So after a couple of days I decided to whip it up on Gumtree and put it up for sale, and I actually thought with the big demand on stainless at the moment I'd have a chance to recover the 8250 what I paid for the watch. But in reality that wasn't the case. I had quite a few people look at the watch, quite a few silly offers, and then in the end 2 people offered me $7,500 for the watch. I knocked back the first one, and then the guy who originally inquired about a watch in the first day, he got back to me again and then come back in and decided he'd go ahead and buy it. Well, he'd already been into a shop in another capital city, knew what he was buying, not bought it blind like myself, and he was pretty happy with it, and overall he got back to me and said he was very pleased with the purchase, and after all he should be, because I never actually wore it out anywhere, never wound it once, looked at it a few times, maybe tried it on a couple of times, and then just sat it in the box till the buyer come along and bought it. So I think overall he got a pretty good deal. But what surprised me the most was everyone talking about stainless watches, how good they sell and stuff like that, but I was really struggling with that Rolex Explorer to try to get the sale. So in the end I look back and think to myself, well, it could have went for a lot cheaper if I didn't end up scoring a sale, because I just couldn't handle the living with that sort of watch, because it was so plain looking. No, nice tidy lines, don't get me wrong, it wasn't a heap of shit or nothing like that. It was just that when I looked at it and the amount of money I paid, well, I just didn't think the value was there. So back to YouTube I went and started looking at other ones, and then just by chance I bumped into this is going back a month or so ago, bumped into the reviews on the Tudor Black Bay Pepsi, and I thought to myself, that's not a bad looking watch. I didn't mind the look of that at all, and more sportier and something like that, so I thought to myself, I'll place an order on one of those. So here we are, fast forwarding it, and today I finally got the order, and we were just about ready to open her up and see how she looks. Let's get into the unboxing. That's good. It'll be a bit of experience on the last one. Bubble wrap. We have the nice Tudor box. This one looks a lot nicer. Have a closer look. Side profile of the watch. closer look with video.